everybody. It's Angie Rupert, E2 visa attorney, founder of Rupert Law Group. We handle exclusively E2 and E1 visas, so no matter what treaty country you're from or in what state you want to be, we can help. Today we're covering a very important topic, which is how to get an E2 visa in a real estate-based business. So this is probably one of the most popular questions or most frequent questions that I get. Let's talk a little bit about some of the things that may work and some of the things that may not work for the E2 visa when it comes to the world of real estate. Number one is property management. Can this work? Yes, it can. Short term, long term, commercial, it definitely can. Here's the key. You still need to invest in the business, right? So we always recommend a minimum of at least $100,000, even though this is a service-based business. But most importantly, you need to have clients that are not yourself. In other words, you need to be managing properties owned by other people or entities, okay? We always recommend that you have a minimum of 2 clients and a minimum of about 5 doors at the time of application. Now, these are guidelines, these are not hard and fast rules, but that is what we find to be the most, to give you the best odds of approval for that E2 visa, is a minimum of 2 clients that are not you or any entity you're related to or involved with, and a minimum of 5 doors, meaning 5 different houses, apartments, condos, what have you, that you're managing at the time of application. That, we have found, leads to the best odds of approval for the E2 visa in a property management type situation. What about flipping? I have to tell you, it's not my favorite, and it's not the consulate's favorite either. In the case of house flipping, we can do it. Don't love it, but we can do it as long as you have purchased, built, or flipped and sold a minimum of 2 properties prior, and now are in the middle of doing a 3rd property. Okay, that's what we require in order to apply for the E2 visa on a flipping. Alternatively, you could always apply as a construction company, right? The same rules apply for a construction company that apply for any other company, wherein we always recommend that you have at least 2 clients or 2 signed contracts at the time of application. For flipping or for a construction company, you could be doing anything. Maybe you are doing a house remodel for someone who owns a house, not your house, but someone else. Or maybe you are remodeling their entry hall, or maybe you are putting in a pool. Any of those things could work. And once you get the E2 visa, you should always continue to have regular customers or clients that are not you, but you could also work on some of your own properties as part of it. Okay, so that's the way that we find works the best if you're interested in house flipping, is instead have a construction company where you work on your own projects and other people's projects as well. Alternatively, if you do not want to deal with having other customers or clients, you could always manage, obviously remotely. You can't be in the US and work without authorization, but you could remotely manage 2 flips and be in the midst of your 3rd when we apply. If you have any questions about the best way to get an E2 visa with a real estate-based business, please give us a call. We'd be thrilled to help you. We focus exclusively on E1 and E2 visas, and we hope that yours is next. Thanks so much. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe. See you soon.